Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. How to take photo in WhatsApp. So, let's get started. Tap the camera option inside WhatsApp to take a photo. If the camera doesn't open, you'll see an issue that needs to be fixed in phone settings. Open Settings on your phone. Scroll down and tap App Management, or Apps. Open the app list to view all installed apps. Scroll down and select WhatsApp. Tap Permissions to view camera and storage access. If camera permission is set to Not Allowed, change it to Allow and enable required permissions. Go back after enabling permissions. Settings are now complete. Open WhatsApp again, tap the camera icon. Take a photo and send it successfully. The creator asks users to like and subscribe if the fix helps.